welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through the entire eyelash extension process, step by step. Whether you're looking to learn how to do this yourself or just want to know more about the procedure, stick around. I've received a lot of feedback from you, my viewers, and in response, I've decided to give you a little gift, a free guide on working with eyelash extension glue. In this guide, I've compiled the most essential tips for using eyelash extension glue effectively. To get your free guide, just follow me on Instagram and comment the word guide on my latest post. I'll send it to you completely free. Step 1. Preparing your workspace and tools. Before we get started, it's crucial to prepare everything you'll need. You'll want to have an eyelash extension kit, tweezers, lash glue, a lash primer, micro brushes, under-eye patches, and of course, good lighting and a comfortable workspace. Make sure everything is within reach and ready to go. Step 2. Preparing the client. Next, we move on to prepping the client. Start by cleaning the area around the eyes with a gentle cleanser to remove any makeup residue. This ensures better adhesion of the glue. After that, I apply under-eye patches to protect the lower lashes and skin from any stray glue. I also add a strip of tape on top of the patch to help further isolate the lower lashes. Next, I draw a map on the patch. I usually skip this step, but to show you how I work, I've decided to include it in this video. Finally, the last prep step is to prime the lashes. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, it really helps with the promotion. During this session, I noticed my client's eye was starting to open slightly, so to keep the eyelid in the right position, I used a small piece of tape to gently secure one natural lash to the patch, right in the center of the eye. This keeps the lid in place and prevents any glue fumes from getting into the eyes. For this look, I chose L curl lashes in dark brown, with a thickness of 0.1 mm and lengths ranging from 5 mm to 11 mm, with the shortest length on the inner corners. My client wanted a fox eye effect, which I think pairs perfectly with L curl lashes. When selecting lash length, curl, and thickness, always consider the client's preferences, eye shape, and the natural lash growth direction. Step 4. The extension process. We begin the lash application by working on the outer and inner corners of the eye, gradually moving towards the center. Using tweezers, carefully isolate a single natural lash and apply a small amount of glue to the base of the extension. Attach it to the natural lash, about 1 mm away from the eyelid to avoid any discomfort or irritation. Repeat this process until all lashes are extended. Be sure to keep the correct direction and avoid lashes sticking together. For this client, I'm creating a 2D volume set with brown lashes, which should result in a natural look. Step 5. Finishing touches. Once all the lashes are in place, ensure that the glue is fully dried. Gently brush through the extensions to check for any stickiness and make sure no glue is left on the client's skin. The lash extension process is now complete. The result is a natural, beautiful look that enhances the client's eyes. Remind your clients about aftercare. Avoid water contact for the first 4 hours, steer clear of oil-based makeup removers, and don't rub the eyes. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Feel free to ask any questions you have about eyelash extensions. I'll make sure to answer every one of them. See you soon.